Here are 3 things every beginner crocheter needs to have. Number 1 is yarn. I recommend acrylic. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Also, you want to make sure that it's a good color to see. Number 2 is your hook size. I recommend a 4mm hook. It's not too big, not too small, and it's comfortable in your hand. And number 3 is your crochet toolbox or your notion bag. Inside, you'll have your scissors, your tape measure, your darning needle, and your stitch markers. I recommend a locking stitch marker like this. You can also use a paper clip or bobby pin, safety pin. But for more information, come on over to Darlene's Basic and Beyond Crochet course. Join the journey and subscribe because you belong here.